that concludes our cemetery tour. It was snowing and windy, and now we're out of the cemetery trying to go back to the highway. Looks like the snow had stopped, and it's still snowing but not that hard. And then the sun is now out, but still snowing a little bit, and we're just trying to get back to the highway. And this is like a steep, slippery road. Good that Kyle let me pass because I was hanging there. Okay, this is Virginia City, downtown proper. So we took a different route, so you can see the small town feel of a hill or mountain city here in Nevada. SUV can take the drive. Okay, we'll see you soon, fun or not. Thank you for watching. Bye. Although it's sunny, you can see it's still snowing, although it's not sticking. The temperature is 37 degrees, so that's why it was cold when we were touring that cemetery, because of the wind chill. It's probably freezing wind chill, but starting to melt on the road because it was warmer earlier. So hopefully it's not gonna turn into ice because it's above freezing. But the thing is, this is like winding hairpin road. This is a different road that we took earlier. So maybe this is a shortcut or easier or shorter way to go to Carson City. So we're going to Carson City. It's only 16 miles away, and this winding mountain roads, it's gonna become slippery once this snow will melt and then refreezes. Turns into ice. That's why the speed limit here is only 25 miles per hour, because of that. Otherwise you'll be skidding around, and there's no salt on the road because people are thinking, well, it's already fall, it's not winter anymore. But in the mountains, the weather changes, it's gonna snow. Sometimes it will snow, sometimes it's not, but definitely it's cold. It's only 37. Earlier it was 46, 45. With the snow it just went colder. So I'm driving in the snow during fall and going downhill, and keep pressing the brakes once in a while, so the car will not accelerate too fast, especially when there's always a twisting road. Or see, right now I'm gonna turn again, but at least down here probably get warmer soon. Keep going downhill, so down the mountain. I better concentrate on my driving. See you soon again. Bye bye. So only like a mile down the road or 2 miles down the road, it's now sunny, and the snow is just melting once it hits the windshield, and it's bright. So now I have to switch back to my sunglasses because I wore my regular glasses, but still it's 25 miles per hour and it's nice. So elevation is now 5,100, so this is Silver City now. So we're now out of Virginia City, so we're in Silver City. Okay, see you again, bye bye. We are now in Carson City. Welcome. Nevada state capital is Carson City. So it's not Las Vegas, it's Carson City, the capital of Nevada. But Las Vegas is probably the most famous one. Or there's also Reno, it's also good. But Carson City is the capital. Okay, so we're just coming from the mountain into plain or valley. Going north from Carson City, going northwards on 580, and it's snowing, so we try to avoid the snow going south because there's more snow southwards. You know, there's also snow going north, and the temperature is 39 degrees. Hopefully this is only on this part of the mountain because we're climbing up the mountain. So hopefully there'll be less snow going down or on the other side of this mountain. So we don't want ice forming on the road. And 39 degrees at least staying above freezing. But we don't know the bridges. Probably at lower temperature because it's so windy here. So hopefully we're gonna all be safe. Okay, I'll update you later. It's in this part of the highway they recommend red lights on for at least 36 miles when it started. And now the temperature just dropped to 37, and I don't know, hopefully it's not gonna keep dropping because it's just got a warning on my car console. It looks like there's sunlight there at the other end. The snow is thicker here. It's not accumulating because it's above freezing. Okay, I'll update you later. See ya, bye. Turned into a side street, so we're headed to the campground, next campground for overnight. Hopefully it's not too steep because the app said the review was that the road into the campground is steep. So hopefully we'll make it okay over there. And I'm just following Tina here. Okay, I'll update you once we're close. Look at those boulders. Oh, now there's coming into the unpaved portion, so we're probably close to the campground. I just wanted to look at that mountain with all those big stones or boulders, but now it's unpaved road, so it says there if it's not the weather is bad, you're not supposed to drive here. But for now the temperature went back up to 42 and it's sunny right now, so hopefully it's good weather until tomorrow, so we can get out of here if we need to. But for now it looks like that review was correct, that we can drive steep road, steep and unpaved. It would have been nicer if they paved this, but our SUV can still handle this. I think it would be bad if this turns into mud. You won't be able to drive here. most likely this is gonna be dispersed camping, boondocking. I probably need to buy supplies in 2 days. I probably have supplies for another at least 2 days, and maybe a third day I can stretch it, especially the water. The only thing I would have a lot of canned goods. So, and the only thing is, if it's not too windy or too cold, then I can cook. Then I will have enough food. It's just the water. I need to refill my water. And there's still like snow on the ground. You can see the white stuff there on the left, the shadow. So I think it would snow here intermittently, and it doesn't really completely melt everything. So now it's up. We're at higher elevation. It's at 41 degrees. And here the road's a little bit muddy because I think